I just traveled back in time to the ancient Rome, and luckily I took my mobile device with me. Oh wow, there's actually a YouTube channel who's seemingly doing the same thing as me, but on top of that they are recording everything and posting it online. They seem to get a lot of views, so they're probably making a ton of money. And since I'm also here, I thought, why wouldn't I just start to do this myself? For the past couple of months, I have been enjoying this AI channel called Chloe vs. History. And these videos are going absolutely viral because there is this time traveler character that is traveling back in time to these actual historic scenes. And this actually prompted me to make this video where I run the numbers, where I show you what it would actually take and cost to make one of these videos and how many views you would need to get to these videos to actually break even and to start making money on an AI generated YouTube channel. So let's get started with the video. Alrighty, so let's start from what it would actually cost to make these videos. And more specifically, let us assume that we're going for 1 hour worth of AI generated video. And if you have seen my videos in the past couple of weeks, you probably already know what this is going to be, but bear with me because I will also show you the YouTube statistics and what kinds of view numbers you need to pull in to account for what it costs to make these videos. So nonetheless, if we, for example, use Higgsfield AI, which right now is the most popular one for creating like videos like documentaries, cinematic stuff and such. So if we go to the video tab, we click on create video and we enter a prompt. We use the best AI video generator model, which is obviously the only thing you can do because otherwise you won't be able to stand out. And if we choose the longest duration, which right now is 15 seconds, and we do the best quality, that is 4K, it's going to be 330 credits and normally 390 credits. So we're actually going to run with this 390. And then from the pricing page, we actually get that you will get, I would say, was it like $375? You'll get 9,000 credits. And right now there's a seasonal sale that is ending in like 12 hours. So I'm not going to include that into the video because it doesn't really impact things the right way. So this basically means that for $375, you're going to get 9,000 credits. One video is going to be 15 seconds or 390 credits, as I just showed you. So this one 15-second video is going to turn out to be about $16.25. And if we take that and we assume that we want to create 1 hour worth of video, that's going to be $3,900. And then if we factor in the reality that this is actually going to be like 5 to 10 attempts on average before you actually nail one clip or before you get enough footage for that one clip that you can cut out those bad parts. Well, that is going to be 5 to 10 attempts per video. So, because this is not a math lecture, I'm just gonna show you directly what it will actually cost. So 1 hour worth of AI generated video is going to be about $20,000 to $40,000. So there's a huge initial investment. And now, if you want to post that 1 hour of AI video to YouTube, we can, for example, assume that we want to use this strategy. So we post 6 10-minute videos. So that could be like 6 short documentaries. Of course, you could just post 1 hour. It doesn't really impact it too much, but I think this is a strategy that would be doable, or at least would be something that I would do if I were to start with this strategy. And based on my years of experience as a YouTube content creator on an entertainment style video or a documentary style video, you're probably going to earn like $3 per 1,000 views from advertisements. So if you wanted to break even, that is, if you wanted to make as much money as you spent, you would actually need to make $30,000 roughly. That is the $20,000 to $40,000 we have. So we're just going to take the average for simplicity. So this would need you to get 10 million views to your YouTube videos. And since you only have 6 videos, that would be 1.67 million views per freaking video. That is insanely hard to do. Like, getting 10,000 views to a video would already be really impressive. Getting over 1 million is crazy. Although this just assumes that we're going to use YouTube ads. And I'm not sure if I've told that before on this channel, but advertisements is the worst way to monetize a YouTube channel. Actually, on my channel, I make like 90 to 95% of my income outside of YouTube advertisements. And that could also be something you could do on a channel like this where you post AI short movies or documentaries. So let us assume that you're going to combine ads with a sponsor, which is a much better monetization strategy. Well, you would still need to post that 6-10 minute videos, and the revenue would go to about $30 per 1,000 views. So it's going to be significantly higher than what it was over here when we're only running ads. So now to break even, you still need to make $30,000, which means 1 million views or 167,000 views per video. So it is still impressive and very insane if you get to results like this, but this is already much more doable than having to get 1.67 million views per video. But then also we need to factor in the worst case. So midway through the documentary or movie that you're creating, you just realize that the AI just simply cannot do it. So there is a clip, there is a section that you cannot just make work no matter how many times you try it. This is very common with AI still. So this brings me to my honest take on this whole thing. So first and foremost, if you want to start making money with AI generated videos, you need to have a ton of money to begin with. So tens of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars. Then you need those viral videos to get those deals, which is not guaranteed by any means. And also you need to understand the fact that these spaces saturate very quickly. So even if we go back to this channel that I brought up, this Chloe versus history, you can actually see that they were getting like 2 million views, 2.5 million views 3 months ago, but the recent video only has 250k views. So people are already getting used to the fact that this is possible. So if you started right now, I think you would be having videos sitting at less than 10,000 views easily. So this is already gone as an opportunity. So would I try this? Absolutely not. But is it doable? For sure, but you need some timing and luck. So for example, when the next AI model comes around, maybe you realize that, hey, this can do something, and that something hasn't done before. So if you find something that actually you are one of the first people to do, then that could maybe work. Still, once again, you need a big investment to try it out, and you need to spend a lot of time and dedication to that. And after all, my honest overall take on these AI generated videos is that you cannot really make money with those. That is just the name of the game. You will need to get way too many views, and you will need to be working way too long alone without any competition for that to actually work. So if there is a chance to make money, people will realize it, and in just a couple of weeks it will be completely saturated. And I think the only way to make money with AI generated videos is by optimizing some part of your existing business. So if you're already making millions and you have the extra money to spare, maybe you can optimize some part of your workflow with AI and save some money. So I think making money is the wrong term. Saving money is probably more closer to what is actually possible with AI. So to put it short, I love AI generated videos. I think channels like these are super impressive, but if you were to start one of these, you would probably only waste money and time, never to see any returns. Thanks so much for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a good day.